Alright guys, let's talk about OKB cryptocurrency. Now this is a token of the OKX platform. So this is why I want to bring this up to you guys, because we have been having a lot of issues, and this cryptocurrency platform, it seems pretty interesting. I just really want to share this with you guys. I don't use it currently, but it's been doing pretty good on the chart, so something possibly to trade. But other than that, guys, there's some interesting things about this cryptocurrency. If you guys want to check it out, if you guys go down to the bottom, and where's it at? Now, it's not available for U.S. citizens, but if you're not a U.S. citizen, you're looking at different platforms, maybe something to get involved with when it comes to this platform. But trading the cryptocurrency should be available on other platforms to get part of this cryptocurrency. But guys, here's some other details you guys can check out. It's in the description box. It is a token of this platform, of this cryptocurrency exchange. We'll look into the charts, guys. Now, first off, we're on the weekly. And being on the weekly, you can see that the overall direction has been pretty good on this cryptocurrency. See how you can start off and it's a natural build up. Obviously there's some spikes back down, spikes back down. Now we have this big up right here, really big high up, like I think $44.35, and then obviously back down to a more natural build. But you can see that it's actually building a really nice trend up and bouncing off here. Now, what I do like currently at the weekly is this position right here. This is like a reattempt at this top right here about almost 5 times. Let's zone this area. Now, this is fairly interesting because it attempted this, fell back down. Attempted it again, fell back down, built up a lot more orders right here, a lot more buyers. Built up again and fell, but not as much. So it's seemingly like this cryptocurrency might be heading a little bit higher. Now I don't know how long, but it might break this high and head up to here. And if you're looking at the trade position, or you're looking at hodling, it might be interesting to get into. So for me, I like to look at obviously look at a lot of cryptocurrencies to trade, but for this one right here on this exchange, like you can see that it didn't reattempt this down here. Seems like there's a lot more buyers entering. They all take profits, but it looks like a lot more people are entering right here. So I think the objective is to break this resistance level and ultimately head up to this one. But I think it might be a short-lived one on the weekly, like one candle up, maybe 2 candles up, and then reattempt back down here and build another floor. And it might do that again, similar to this. But it might not be to that margin. Instead of it go up to the $28 level, around there, $27, $28 level, it might fall down a little bit lower, but build a floor to build up, again, similar to how it's been doing. Build up a floor, and it's a lot more, it doesn't seem like a manipulated chart on a dying chart, kind of like how most cryptos you see today. Like, they'll have a massive spike up, and then from there, there'll be like spike up, a little bit lower, spike up, a little bit lower, spike up, a little bit lower. Here, you can see there's a lot more, I'll say, interest into cryptocurrency outside of pumping and dumping. A lot more people, a lot more easier to get into. As spiky. But for my prediction, guys, I see it hitting this area right here, breaking this resistance level. If I was going to approach this cryptocurrency like entering with my own money, for me, I would enter probably at market, 2 buy entries. I have my target profit set at the top of here at $23.18. At this top, I think it'd be really easy for it to hit. And then if it hits that, and goes back up to this top, I'll place my stop loss above my entry, locking in my trade, my secondary trade, and allowing that trend to run, and letting my exit indicator let me get out of the trade. But if it doesn't do that and knocks me out of my trade, then I'll have one target profit hit, and the secondary trade will be my stop loss being hit after I lock in the trade. So it'll be pretty substantial, especially when we get into this. You're talking about $9 more, so almost 50% up from that entry. So it's not a really bad trade. I don't know about hodling. If you're going to dollar cost average, I think you probably got in a lower price, like a $10. I mean, if you down here, it's obvious, but I mean, we're looking at something quite recent. So $15. So hodling may be a little bit on the expensive side, and maybe, but that's not something I would be interested in doing. I think trading would be the ultimate decision in this scenario right now, currently. But let's go into some of the details. Maybe some people are saying the exact same thing. So let's check out OKB on CoinMarketCap. The rank number 34. They have a huge following when it comes to watch lists. 6,000 people are looking at this cryptocurrency, so they're probably coming up to a very similar conclusion. And if they come to a similar conclusion, guys, it's just how it is. Like, if we look at some of these cryptos, like a lot of people are saying something like Apollo X blue check 20 hours ago, or say gainers, losers. Like, there's a lot of people who go through. So sometimes I'll read through these and see what other people think. I usually just go with my own thinking, anyways, because I don't risk that much when it comes to trading and getting to international platforms. So just how it is. But when else comes to this cryptocurrency, guys, if you guys want some key details, let's go to CoinMarketCap. I'll have a link below. You can read more about the details when it came out. I think it came out in 2017. This is a token of that platform. They're not available to every country, but to see which country is available, I'll have this link below. Just check it out, guys. Outside of that, guys, please check out their Twitter page if you guys want useful news and stuff like that. Like, they have 2.1 million followers, and possibly they put some of their news out for this, so check out their news on there. And beside that point, guys, check out my website. I'm doing a lot of updates on it. I'm adding a lot more cryptocurrency stuff and programming stuff to it, so please check it out. But guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.